Hi everyone, I'm representing Bitlinks, a software company providing services worldwide. Today I'm excited to share about our office management system with you. I will try my best to share the demo in easy steps. Here right now let me share you the screen which you are watching right now. That is our main dashboard, which you can say a super admin, your employee, your HR manager, your finance manager, your team lead, a supervisor. They can have different roles. So you have multiple roles with limited access for them, whichever role you will give, and they will access that accordingly. And regarding the modules here, we have tons of modules in it. We will offer different packages and different plans to different companies or businesses as per their choice. For example, if they don't want the lead module, we will eliminate the lead module in it. We will just add the HR or whatever they want. So we can customize it as per the choice. So let's get started. So let's make it easy to understand. Let's talk about the sidebar first, what module we have, and then we will talk about the top bar and all the features included in it. We have here dashboard and two types of dashboards. We can see private and advanced. Then we have leads module here. We have clients module here. We have HR module here with these options. We have work module here for the project management. We have finance module here with these options. We have product module, orders, tickets, events, messages, notice board, knowledge base, reports, and settings. On the right hand side of the top bar, we can see we have logout button here. We have bell icon for the notifications, whatever is going on, we're going to see it here. We have shortcuts to add a project, add task, client, employee, payment, and create a ticket. Here we have sticky notes as well, we can add. So it's a complete solution for every kind of business. So first of all, let's talk about the attendance system in it. Here is the clock in button, which you can see. Let's clock in. We can say we are in New York and we have different locations, home, other, office, and we can add more. So we can clock in and our time is started. Here you can see two type of dashboards. That one is the private one and that one is the advanced one, which you can see with these options. Here you can see the leads. You can add the leads by clicking here. You can see add lead. We added a sample lead already, which you can see with Miss Sarah. And we can add one here like this. Here we can add the details, whatever it is. And you can see we have different statuses here. We can add generated, win, lost, proposal sent, initial contact, and all that. And we can save. Then we have clients here. We can add client here by clicking add client. So we can put these all informations here as per our choice. So you can see we have tons of information to put in here. Then we have HR, which is for the employees. We can add an employee here like this. We have multiple sample employees added here. We can put the status active and wherever we want. We can add employee like this. We can generate the employee ID. We can add all the information about the employee and then we can add it in the list. Here we can add and we can manage the leaves. We can add the shift roster here. We can manage the attendance by clicking here and you can see we have different status here on holiday, day off, present, half day, late, absent, on leave. And we can also export the data here from exporting option. We can also import from here as well. And here you can see the timesheets here. And you can select by the department. We can select by the designation. We can select the month and year as per our choice. Then we can add the holiday in it. We can add the designation. We can put the department here. We can add appreciation, which will be visible to our entire dashboard for all of the employees. Here we can see the next module, which is related to the work, that is contract, projects, tasks, and timesheet. So let's talk about the project first. In the project, you can add a project which we already added here as a sample, and you can see you can add short code here. You can put project name, date, and all the data, whichever you want, and then you can save. Here I have the sample one. We can view it, we can delete it, and we have tons of different options, and we can put different status on it. Here you can see, and you can also manage things from here as well, and you can put more as well. And here's the status you can put, and you can change the status in progress, not started, on hold, cancelled, and finished. That's very handy. Then you can see here a finance module here. We can add proposal, we can send the estimates, we can generate the invoices, payments, credit notes, expenses, and we can add our bank account as well, which we can connect with expenses and bank. So let's talk about the proposal first. By clicking on the proposal, we can see we already generated a proposal, and we can create new one by clicking new. We can add same details as we added before, and we can add the details here. We can give a name of the product and the description, whatever we want. We can add the unit price here. We can add any picture or details or add items we can do, and then we can save. And one more thing, we can also send the proposal to the client directly from here as well, if we have the email. Then we can check the estimates, which also work like as a proposal, which are connected with each other. We have invoices here. We can generate the invoices to a particular client by clicking create invoice. From here, we can select the client, let's say this one, and then we can add a project. Accordingly, we can add, if there is any discount here, address, details, and whatever we have, we can put it here, and we can generate the invoice. We can also send invoice to the client as well. From here, you can download the invoice, we can view as a PDF, we can send, mark as sent, and we have multiple statuses to manage and make it easy for us. Here you can see the payments and the expenses. Let's have a look to the expenses here. In expenses, we added these expenses. We have ticket system here. Let's have a quick overview about the ticketing here. That's how it works. We have one open ticket here, which we receive from our client, or it can be to our staff as well. We can view, we can also delete that, and we can put our notes here as well. We can reply, and we can change the status as well. Okay, so now let's talk about the events here. Events is more like, if you have any event going on, and you can put it here, and all of the employees will see that. We have messaging system here. Internally, you can start the communication here like this. Hi. And you can upload the file as well. That's your internal communication. That's more, good for the compliance and for your business security. Then we have the notice board here. You can see we added different notices already here, and we can add one from here as well. Then we have the knowledge base. If you have a team, you want to train them, you want to polish their skills, and you can put those details here, and they will get it, and they can access it, and they can, it's good for the training purposes and for the growing team. And from the setting, you have tons of different settings which you can do. Like you can put the company setting, business address, app setting, profile, notification, currency, payment, whichever you want, you can do it from here. So you can see it's all in one solution for all type of businesses, and we can customize that as per your choice, as per the nature of your business. And when the time is over, you can just log out or clock out from here like this. And it's very deep. I just gave you a quick overview about the software. So if you have any query or question, you can get in touch with us. We will give you a complete session